Dear learners, very good morning. I am Mohammad Mufazzal Hossain Sarkar, instructor in English, Technical School and College, Kurigram. Today, as because of Corona, we are not performing our main program. So, for this, we are trying to give some lesson on video conference. Dear learners, today I will discuss about narration. For the student of Dadosh, I will discuss narration. You know, narration is a very important topic for you, your syllabus. Okay, you know, narration, there are two kinds of narration, direct and indirect speech. Normally, you are asked to change this narration in the examination from direct into indirect. Today, I will discuss some rules and regulation of changing narration. You see, here I am writing a sentence. He said to me, I like your pen. Here you see a direct speech. There are two parts of a direct speech. Reporting verb, he said to me, it is reporting verb, and I like your pen, reported speech. Reported speech are kept in inverted comma, and you will be asked to change this speech into indirect. So, here are some rules. How can we change this speech into indirect speech? Some general rule, that is, in reported speech, the person, there will be three persons, first, second and third, but first and second person will be changed accordingly, but third person will remain unchanged. Here you see indirect, he said to me that I changed, he liked my pen. For if the reported speech is assertive, inverted comma will be omitted and for that will be used. And here you see I has been changed to he, because the rule is if there is first person in the reported speech, the first person will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Here subject is he, so I changed to he, and another person your is second person. If anywhere in the reported speech you get second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Here is object me is first person, so your has been changed to first person and it is objective, possessive. Your is possessive, and so your has been changed and it became my, because me's possessive is my. So, in this way, every first person and second person will be changed according to, if there is first person in the reported speech, it will be changed according to the person of the subject of the reporting verb, and if there is second person, the second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb, and if there is third person, there will be no change. And if reported speech is assertive sentence, then only that in inverted comma will be omitted and there will be that, and there is no sense. Here you see another thing, tense also been changed. If reporting verb is past tense, here you see said past tense. So, I like your pen, here reported speech is present tense, but it has been changed into past tense. There is a rule that if reporting verb is past, all the reported speech, present reported speech will be changed into past tense. Here I can tell you how the tense will be changed. You see, there is a chart for you. You can follow this chart for the changing of the tense of the reporting verb. If reporting verb is past, then the tense of the reported speech will be changed like below. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect. Past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect, no. Change. However, in this way, the tense of the reported speech will be changed when we will change it into direct speech, indirect speech. Now, you see, if reported speech is if the reported speech is question mark, that is interrogative, then something will change in the rule. You can see here, I am writing a sentence. He said to me, are you ill? It's question mark, that is interrogative. There will be some different rule when we will change it into a indirect narration, then said to will be changed as asked, and in lieu of inverted comma, here will be if. There is difference. You see, he said will be changed as asked. He asked me, and in lieu of inverted comma, here we will use if, and this sentence, that is reported speech, will assertive. That is you will be changed according, yes, you is here second person, and it will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Here object me, that is first person, and as you is subject, so here will be I, the subject of me, I, and tense will be changed. It is present tense, present indefinite, it will be changed into past indefinite. I was ill. In this way, every sentence has some different rule for their respective. Another sentence, if it is imperative sentence, there will be another change. You see, he said to me, mind your lesson. It is, he said to me, mind your lesson. Here reported speech is imperative, imperative sentence. Here reported is imperative sentence. When if reported speech is imperative, then said will be changed to advised, ordered, and advised, ordered, or told. Mind your lesson. Here reported speech means advice. I am giving you advice to mind your lesson. So, as it is advised, said to will be changed as advised. He advised me. Invert comma will be omitted, and here we will use to. He advised me to mind, and as it is to, there will be no sense of tense. It will be present, to mind your lesson. Your second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Me first person, and your will be my lesson. He advised me to mind my lesson. In this way, if it is sometime it may be such that you may not understand whether it is order or request or advice, then you may use told. I can show you such a sentence like which you may not understand if the sentence is request or order or advice, then you may use told. You see, he said, bring me an umbrella. You may not understand whether it is request, order, or advice. Then student, dear student, you may use told. You may change said into told. You see, then the reported indirect speech will be he told. You may use told. Invert to bring me. First person, you know, first person will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. He, that is him, an umbrella. So, if you could not understand whether the reported speech is question, is request or advice or order, then you may use told. and when you are clear that it is advice, you may use advice, and if you become clear that it is request, you may use requested in case, and if you could not understand, you may use told. Another important sentence, now I will discuss exclamatory sentence. If the reported speech is exclamatory, if the reported speech is exclamatory sentence, then there are some different rule. You see, he said to me, what a big snake it is. You see, it's an exclamatory sentence. What a big snake it is. As it is exclamatory, and so said will be to will be sensed as cried out. Said to will be sensed as cried out, and inverted comma will be omitted, and for that will be used here. And what a big snake, always you should keep in mind, dear student, that always the reporting verb will be assertive. When we will change indirect speech into direct speech into indirect, always reporting verb, reported speech will be assertive. Every case, in every case, reported speech will be assertive. You see here, he cried out me that. This is what a big snake it is. It should be changed into assertive, and its tense will be changed accordingly. Here subject is it, you know, third person will no change, will have no change. It, so it was a very, it was a very big snake. So it is assertive. In this way, 10 minute hoyse shesh kori, so in this way you can change direct speech into indirect. It's a snapshot, it's a very cursory glance of changing narration. Dear student, you may take a notion from here, some idea from here. Today I discussed, and if you go through the text, some example here, you may practice, and in our next class we will discuss another topics. Thank you very much.